Using the Apple Watch SE2 for the first time can be overwhelming. However, in this beginner's guide video, I am going to tell you about everything that you need to know in order to use the watch for the first time without any hesitation. So watch the video till the end. I am assuming that you have already paired your Apple Watch SE2 with your cell phone. So I will not show you how to pair the Apple Watch for the first time with your iPhone. If you haven't done that already, then you should check out my pairing video first and then come back to watch this video. The link of pairing video is in the I button. So you have already paired your Apple Watch SE2 with your iPhone. Let me now first tell you how you can navigate through the watch. To navigate through the watch, you can use the touch screen and two buttons that you get on the side. The upper one is called the crown. You can use this to scroll up and down. All you have to do is rotate it in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. This also acts as the home button. Pressing it once will take you to the home screen, and if you press it on the home screen, then it opens up the app drawer. The lower button by default opens the recently used apps if pressed once. You can also use it to turn off or turn on the watch by pressing and holding it. Now let's talk about the touchscreen. Swiping down on the home screen will show you all the notifications. To go back from the notification screen, you can either press any of the buttons or you can swipe up. Swiping up on the home screen will get you the quick settings panel. Here you will get a lot of options. By tapping on this Wi-Fi signal, you can turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi of your watch. Then this symbol here is for finding your cell phone. Tapping on this will make your cell phone ring. However, you need to be connected to your cell phone in order for it to work. Then you can see the battery percentage here. Tapping on this option will open other screen where you can enable or disable the low power mode. Then the next option is to control the sound of your Apple Watch SE2. You can put it in the silent mode and vice versa. Then there is the cinema mode option that you can use to put your watch in the cinema mode whenever you are watching any movie. This will prevent your screen display from turning on and will put your watch in silent mode so that you don't get disturbed. Then there is walkie-talkie mode. You can use this to actually use your watch like a walkie-talkie. Then you get sleep mode, torch, flight mode, water lock mode and other options. If you want, then you can also edit the settings menu by tapping on this edit button. Here you can add or remove options by simply tapping on the minus or plus button. You can also rearrange them if you want. To rearrange, simply press and hold the option and then drag it to the place you want it to be. Now if you want to change the clock face of your Apple Watch SE2, then you just have to swipe left or right from the edges to change it. You can also press and hold onto the home screen to change or edit it. If you tap on the edit button, then you will be able to customize that watch face according to your liking. You can change its color, style, symbols, etc. So this is how you can navigate through your Apple Watch SE2. Let me now tell you how you can use and install different apps on it. There are actually two ways of installing an app on your Apple Watch SE2. You can either do it from your iPhone or you can do it on your watch itself. Let me first tell you how it can be done from the iPhone. Open the watch app on your connected cell phone. Then go to My Watch tab. Here you will see all the apps that are available for your Apple Watch SE2. If you want to install any app, then just tap on the install button present in front of that app. The app will get installed on your Apple Watch. Now let's see how to install apps on the Apple Watch SE2 itself. Open the app drawer on your Apple Watch by pressing the crown once. Now open the App Store. Here you can search for the app that you are looking for. Just tap on the search bar and type the name of the app you are looking for. Once you find the app, then simply tap on the Get button present in front of it. Now the app will get installed on Apple Watch SE2. As simple as that. You can then access all the installed apps from the app drawer of your smartwatch. To access the app drawer, you just have to press the crown button once. If you don't like this grid view of the app drawer, then you can change it to the list view as well. All you have to do is open the app drawer, press and hold on to any app, then select list view from the options on the next screen, and the app drawer view will change to list view instantly. If you like to switch to grid view again, then simply just repeat the process. Apple claims that the Apple Watch SE2 can last up to 18 hours on a single charge on a normal usage. And if the claim itself is so less, then you can imagine how long will it last in real life. So the next thing that you should do is save some battery life. I will make another video for battery saving tips and tricks to get the most out of the battery life of Apple Watch SE 2, but let me give you some quick tips to save some battery life in this video. The first thing that you should do is turn off unnecessary notifications for Apple Watch SE 2. The more notifications you get, the more battery life your watch will consume, because notifications will turn on the display, make the watch vibrate and produce sounds. All of this consume battery. To turn off the notifications for unnecessary apps, open the watch app on your smartphone, then go to notifications, scroll down and deselect the app you don't want to get notifications for. The next thing that you should do is reduce the brightness of your watch display. Apple Watch SE 2 does not come with an auto brightness option, which is kind of a bummer for me. It is a smartwatch, but it can't set the brightness of the screen according to the environment. How smart is it? Anyways, you should keep the brightness to a medium level so that it does not hamper the visibility and doesn't eat up a lot of battery as well. To reduce the brightness, open the settings app on your Apple Watch, then go to display and brightness. Now tap on this left icon to reduce the brightness. The next thing that you should do is turn off Siri from running in the background, because if it will keep running in the background, then it will keep consuming the battery life of your Apple Watch. To turn it off, open the settings app on your smartwatch, go to Siri, then turn off listen for Hey Siri and raise to speak options. This will now prevent Siri from running in the background. Having said that, you can still use Siri if you want. To use Siri, all you have to do is press and hold the crown button for a while, and there you go. So these were some settings that you should implement right away to save some battery life on your Apple Watch SE 2. I will be bringing more such tips and tricks to save even more battery life of Watch SE 2 very soon. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch that video. Many people buy smartwatches to be their fitness companions, right? And if you have purchased the Apple Watch SE 2, then I'm sure you must want it to track your workouts as well. So let me now tell you how you can track your exercises and workouts on Apple Watch SE 2. To track your exercises, open the app drawer. Then open this workout app. Now select the workout you want to do from the list of available workouts, and your Apple Watch SE 2 will start tracking that workout. As simple as that. If you don't find the required workout mode, then scroll all the way down and tap on the Add Workout button. Now tap on the workout mode you are looking for. It will get added to your favorite list, and then you can access it from the previous screen. So this is how you can track your exercise on Apple Watch SE 2, but wait, you must also want to see the recorded data and stats of your workout, right? Sadly, you can't see any activity detail on your watch or on the watch app on your smartphone. If you want to see the detailed stats of your workout, then you will have to make use of the Apple Health app on your smartphone. So take your cell phone and open the Apple Health app. Here you will be able to see the stats related to your workouts. With this, I end this Apple Watch SE 2 beginner's guide video here. I hope you now know how you can use your Apple Watch SE 2 for the first time without any hesitation. If you have any queries, then please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting videos like this. I will now see you in the next video. Till then, take care.